Okay, so we've got the truck mostly unloaded, but here's my little radio room at the moment. And I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. I think I want to do a video series on these unboxings and just let you guys pick out what you want to see me unbox and review and test and go over. And I may even start listing this stuff for sale because this move has taught me something about myself and I have a problem. So let's see. Let's just kind of look at a few things. That is a high gain 8 in the box. Stoner Pro 40. Here's a Drake R8B. Let's see. President Madison bass. Oh my gosh. Superstar 3900 Euro version. Tram Titan 2 Browning stock mics. Browning S180. President Madison, Blaupunk Houston, Drake W4 watt meter, Midland sideband mobile. There's about 3 radios in there. Siltronics Model 90. Miscellaneous CB cords and stuff. Let's see. I got an Ameritron AL811 in there. I've got a Tram D201. I got a Browning Golden Eagle transmitter, Browning Golden Eagle Mark III receiver, high gain 1 mobile. I don't know how that stayed in my collection. That's got to go. Got to go. I don't want no AM mobiles in there. Yeah, just a bunch of stuff. My Diamond Eagle that my wife gave me for my birthday in '92. I got various sideband mobiles. Just tons of stuff. 5-band mic EQ for CB radios. Oh, that's one of those Russian mic EQs. They're junk, by the way. President Madison speaker. Let's see, Pro 40. I got a Pro 40 speaker in here somewhere. I have just got so much stuff. I got audio chain stuff, DBX audio chain stuff. But yeah, so I need to organize this, and I need to lighten the load on this shelf a little bit. Little power supply project I'm working on. There I am finding stuff I didn't even know I had. Various parts, Tweety birds, stuff like from when I was like a teenager back in the 70s anyway. I still got all my old Tweety birds and stuff. So meters, all my test gear I donated. A lot of that stuff I got rid of, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a still photo, put this on my comments section, and then I'm going to let you guys pick out a box. And then I'll do that. I'll give a shout out to whoever asked me to pick out the box. So if Catbox or Mongoose or somebody leaves a comment in the YouTube comment section or something like that, I'll do a shout out to them, and then I'll do an unboxing and a test video when I get my bench up. So that might be kind of fun. I might even start selling some of this stuff off, because quite honestly, you can only talk on one radio at a time. Over and out.